So we are live now. Hello everyone. I, CA Dipti Jain, founder and CEO Gyan Station, welcomes you in a very innovative series which our team has planned, that is daily knowledge booster sessions by gas station. We are going to daily present 6 to 7 Monday to Friday sessions on various topics and speakers. We are going to invite them, and you are going to have definitely an incremental exponential growth in your knowledge and skills. So in continuation with that, today, 22nd February 2022, here we launch our first session of KBS series, and I am highly obliged with the overwhelming response which we got for this sessions. I hope that we will bring a difference in your world through this sessions, which are definitely going to be very helpful in your professional and personal growth. So here comes our speaker, CA Shubham Doshi ji. Without taking much time, I invite him to please take this dais and give your presentation. Over to you, Shubham.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, good evening, everyone. Glad to hear you the good response received from the entire community. So basically, the madam says we started the launch. We are launching one KBS for boosting our knowledge. So first of all, we are taking this session on advanced Excel. If you allowed me, then I will share you the one small presentation of.
Yes, Shubham. It is visible. Screen is visible.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So first of all, I introduce myself. I am CH Shubham Doshi, having more than 5 years of experience in corporate finance. At present, I am working in a listed company of India and taking care of all the corporate finance division. We are like maintaining the budgeting, planning, financial statements and all. Over and above all these things, the Excel is my passion. I learned so many things in Excel and I tried to explore the Excel knowledge with everyone. So this is the basic overview about MS Excel. What is the MS Excel and what is the MS Word, PowerPoint. So this is, we'll not waste our time in this. Everyone is knowing about this. Yes. First of all, what we are going to learn in this session, content of learning. As everyone knows, this is the 2-day session. So in this session, first on 22nd, we are going to cover basic functions of around 10 to 15 minutes, like font formatting, alignments, everything with shortcuts. I know everyone know about the basic functions, but we'll do with the shortcuts. Without using the mouse, we are going to use the complete Excel. Okay. Then today's session will go to learn the advanced functions. Advanced functions includes conditional formatting, pivot, data validation, remove duplicacy, and then sort filters and all, everything. Then on the next class, we are going to learn some formulas, which is mainly used everywhere. Lookup and references like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, some functions related to arithmetical formulas like count, length, sum, maximum, minimum, average. Then some conditional related formulas like if this condition happens, then what would be the results? If it happens, then what would be the results? So the functions related to if, sum if any, count if. Then after that, we are going forward for alignment formulas, which is related to proper, clean, lower, uppercase, and then some other miscellaneous formulas, which is also used in Excel. All right. So now directly we'll move forward we'll open one Excel workbook. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah. Should we start or should we wait further 1 more or 2 minutes?
We can start with the session, Shubham.
All right. So as same, first we are going to discuss about some basic functions of the Excel. Basic functions includes what? The first is font and formatting, alignment, number, sale, and then style. It means whatever is available on home tab. Maximum times it's covered under the basic functions. I prepared one shortcut key formula sheet for ready reference. Acha, first shortcut key of the Excel. If anyone knows about this key, what is the first shortcut key? That is the Alt key. Alt key. Whenever we are going to press Alt key, then the sub functions of the Alt key will get open. Like home is denoted by H, N means insert tab, P means page layout tab, formula means M. So like that. Whenever we are going to use any Excel functions, we can use the Alt key. Now, for example, if I press the Alt key and I want to go in the border section. Border section represents here. If you see in font tab, here is the one second. Yes. So this is the border section. What I want to do is I want to make the table. So just select the table. For selection, use the shortcut key. Shift, Control and arrow key. Okay. Then you can make the selection. Now just I want to make the border. So press Alt. Then home tab is represented by H. B is for border. And then I want to make the all border. So I will select the A. Okay. Again, for using the any shortcut key in Excel, you have to use the key Alt key. Once you press the Alt key, then the sub functions of the Alt key will get start. Like home tab, N tab, P, M, A, R. That's it. Now, for a ready reference, I already write down some shortcuts which is mainly used in Excel. Like, for example, if I want to write something here, and if I press the enter, then I come on next cell. But what I want here, I want to make the enter in the same cell. Then I have to press Alt plus enter. And then like write the Excel shortcut key is what? The shortcut key is Alt plus enter. To make the enter in a specific cell, that time we are using Alt plus enter. Okay. Then fill down, Control R. For example, if I write something here, Shubham, and if I want to make the control down as it is, then Control D. Then if I want to make the fill to right, then Control R, then same will come. Okay. Now, there is a one function is of special paste. Special paste means what? For example, if I write something here, like if I write here is country, this is a heading, and I given some formatting. Formatting means what? Alt H, and then like fill color is blue, and the font color is white. Okay. How I did this? Press Alt, go to home tab by pressing H, and then press H. H is for fill color. H represents for fill color, and then FC is for font color. Okay, everything we can learn by shortcuts. Alt H. H means again I want to go for fill color, then select the color, or for font color Alt H FC. It means font color. I want to change the font format. So for that I'm using Alt H and then FF, font format, FF. Okay, then here I will select like Arial. and the font size alt HFS, it would be 12 for example. Okay, so this is the, I did some formatting here. Now what I will do here is I will copy, control C. The very basic function everyone knows for copy is what? CLTR plus C, control C. If I copied this and if I paste, if I only paste, then the same format will get paste. Means country as it is getting paste on another cell. But here what I want here is I want to copy only the format. If I want to copy the format only in the particular cells, then what I have to do here is I will press Alt, write down Alt, then E. E represents for special paste. S. Okay, paste in special tab. Then you will get this table, and here you can select only the format. See, here you get the Alt S T. It means what is the shortcut key I have used? Alt, then press E, then press S, and then press T for format. Clear? So this is the one basic functions of the special paste. Copied and then Alt TST. Clear? Hopefully it is a very basic function. Now, for example, if you want to paste only the comments, the shortcut key of using the comment is Shift plus F2 for inserting the insert the comment. There is one shortcut key of Shift F2, Shift plus F2. Then you can insert the comment. Okay, I will write down here. Shift plus F2. Then, okay. For example, if I want to copy the comment, here the comment I write down here is Excel trick, and I want to copy the comment. Then copy the cell Alt ES and then press C. It is called pasting the special comment. Clear? Shift F2, Control C, and then Alt ES. Go to special paste function and then press on comment. Clear? Now there is a one basic function of control. If you select the control semicolon, control plus this key, then automatically date will come, today's date. Shift plus control plus and then semicolon, then current time. Clear? Very basic functions. This is all are the very basic functions. Okay. So one function we have covered is the what? In the clipboard function, this is the cut, copy, and paste. If you see here is clipboard, there is a first function of cut, copy, and then paste. If you select this copy, then this paste special function you can go from here also. Click on arrow and then paste, go to special tab and then select. Clear? Hopefully I think it is easy function. Now next function is related to what? Bold, italic, and then underline, border, font format, font color, alignment, everything will come under the font. Font and alignment is a very easy. Okay? Control B, Control I, Control U, everyone knows all these functions. Okay? Then if you want to go with the shortcuts, then press Alt H and then 1 2 3. 1 is for bold, I for 2, and then U for underline for 3. Clear? Next. Achha. in that border functions, there is a various functions. Like for example, there is nothing. What I want here is I want to make the bordering only outside. So I will press Alt, go to Home tab via H, then press B. B is for border. To remember the shortcut keys, remember the name of the function. It means border, then B is the shortcut key. If you want to include percentage, then P is the shortcut key. Okay. Alt, you. Acha, for a short trick, when question is raised by one participant, to use the shortcut key, always press Alt. Then Excel will guide you how to do. Press Alt. Then you want to use the function like border. Then press H because the border function is in Home tab. And then 1, 2, 3 or whatever function you want to use. Clear? So here I want to use the border function and I want to make the border only the outside. Then I will press either S or either T. So I will press the T. So see, thick border will come. Clear? If I want to use the Alt HBA, then all border will come. This is a very first basic function. Similarly, to adjust the, if you see, if I write down any name, see if you here see the shopping mall, cell number E20. To go on any cell value or to identify the cell value, this is called the cell value. Here, name box. It means where you are staying. You are staying on the E20. Clear? E20 means what? Your cursor is on E20 and then you are using this one. So for example, here it is written shopping mall. And on a next cell value like F20, I mentioned something like Chennai. Okay. So the whatever the content written on the E20, it is not completely visible. Correct? Again, for example, here I will write shopping mall and here I will write Chennai. Okay. To adjust the size of the column, we are going to use shortcut keys what? Alt O, then press C and then press A. What is the shortcut key? Alt O means for format, C for column, and A is represent for adjust. Clear? Alt O C and then A. Clear everyone? Similarly, to adjust the row, adjust column, adjust row is what? Alt O R A. Simple. To adjust the column, Alt O C A and then Alt O R A. Clear? Then this is all the functions related to font. To using the shortcut keys. Now we're moving forward for alignment. There is a 6 type of alignments everybody knows: left, right, center, top, middle, and bottom. I will show you how it will work. For example, if I'll increase the height of the row, okay, I increase the height of the row, and now I will show you this. I will increase the size of the column also, so everyone get easily. Like Alt H. Alignment L means alignment left. Alignment C means AC. AR. Okay. So this is what? Alignment left, right, center. Sorry, left, right, and then center, and then alignment top, bottom, and middle. See, for example, if I am going to use Alt H, this is the prime key. Alt H and then AL. Alt H AR. Alt H AC. Alt H A T. Okay. Then Alt H A M. It means what? Alignment center, alignment middle. If I do here is Alt H A B. Clear? Alt H A R, Alt H A T. Okay. So this is the one basic functions of alignment. Clear? One second. For example, if I want to adjust the column size, then again Alt O C A, and to adjust the height of the row, Alt O R A. Alignment would be Alt H A C, and then alignment. Okay. Clear? Now, there is a one function, basic function is like orientation. How you like to keep your orientation. For example, this is the working sheet. I will keep in this, and I will make the orientation is by Alt H and then FQ. I want to keep as it is as a angle clockwise. Clear? And I will merge the cell. For example, I will merge the cell with Alt Home merge and center represents by merge. One more functions are covered directly, merge, then M with center. See here, this is the merge and center. You can merge with Alt H M and then across. See, and then orientation you can keep like vertical, rotate text, like see, working sheet for basic functions. This is what? This is the clear. Again, this is the first basic functions of what? Alt H. It means some functions of home tab. Okay. Now, this is the one general table I prepared. What is the purpose of this table is what? It includes the name of any person, country, it means the person is belong from which country, and what is our profession. So profession I include, and I include the number is earning and expenses. So for example, I am using one formula just for quick numbers. I will take some numbers in between of 5 lakh to 2,50,000 random number. Okay. See, this is the control D. It means random number is pasted here. Even I don't know what are the numbers I written here. And then again, one more function I am going to use. Don't worry about that you are using formula, because formula session we are keeping for next session 23rd. Everything will see there. So again here I will take some numbers from in between of 10,000 till 2 lakh, and then in multiple of 1,000, and then enter. Okay. This is the one some income and expenditure of the particular person. Now we'll go for the number formatting. We'll see some number formatting, how to make the here. Select the tab with key shift alt and shift control and then arrow. Then press alt H. Again H means for home tab, and then K is for inserting the comma or inserting the decimal place. If you see here, K is represents for comma, then you press K. Clear? So it's looked exactly like numbers. Yes, something written like in a number way, number format. If you want to insert the currency, then the shortcut keys of what? Here I already mentioned here. Insert currency. Apply the currency format. See, Control plus Shift plus 4. Control KLT plus SF shift and then plus use the 4, number 4. The dollar sign is available on number 4. Then you can press here is shift F4. Shift F4. Clear? Why INR is coming, dollar also may come, because I said default currency is INR in my system. That's why. Clear? Now, if you want to mention, if you want to write down the number in another currency, like you want to make in the dollar, then go to Home tab, Alt H, and then AN. AN is for the symbol is accounting number format. Then you press AN and then select the currency which you want. For example, dollar. Clear? Here I will remove everything. Again, I will make the accounting terms. Okay. This is the general number format. Now, second thing, to insert the percentage. For example, if I write something here is 100 and I want to make the percentage, or if I want to write 0.01, 0.1, these are three numbers, three different numbers. One is 100, another one is 0.01, and another one is only 0.1. I want to make the percentage in this. So select the numbers, Alt H and then P. What I did here is Alt H, P is represented by percentage, then P. Clear? So wherever I return the 100, it becomes 10,000. Where I return the 0.01, then it becomes the 1. Wherever I return the 0.1, it becomes the 10. Clear? It's nothing. It is the just multiplication of the 100 in each and every number. Clear? Hopefully, yes. One more function I want to show you is what? For example, here all the numbers are written in the lakhs, like 1,79,000, 2,36,000, 1,27,000. What I want here is I want to multiply all the numbers by number 10. What I want to multiply all the number by 10. Clear? Then what I will do here is I will write the number 10 here. Anywhere you can write. Control C. Then Alt, go to special tab, Alt ES, and then M. M is for multiply. If you see here, the shortcut function is M. All the numbers will get multiplied by 10. Achha, why format is getting changed? Because the same format is coming here. Okay. Then again we go here, Alt H and then K. Okay. If you see here, all the number is getting multiplied by 10. Again, what you want to divide all the numbers. Then Alt ES and then I. And then value. If you paste selecting the value also, Alt ES. First you select V and then you select I. It means both function you have to select. Your format would also be get same and the number also will get divided by 10. See. Clear? Hopefully it's easy function. So this is our number alignment. Here, if you drop open the list number format means cell format. For example, if I select here Alt H and then going to N, so there is a very function. So many functions available like general text, number, currency, accounting. And then short date, long date, percentage, fraction. In Excel, so many people doesn't know how to write zero in a first place. Like if I want to write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then it becomes automatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? I think so many people are facing this problem. If you want to write down the SBI account number, then maximum time it starts with multiple zeros like 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 6 like that. And whenever you are going to enter, then it becomes 2, 5, 6, 3. Nobody knows how many zeros are there. Correct? So for that, there is a one function we are going to use is just press the clear. It means either there is a two options. One option is either you select the format is text, go to home, alt, and then select the text last, and then press anything whatever you want, then it becomes the same as it is. Clear? But if you don't want to use this function, it means you want to write everything in by, then press the just left key of the enter, and then write the number whatever you want. See, it also becomes the same. Clear? It means to write down the 0 at a very first place, then you can use the text format. Clear? Yes, no, hopefully it's easy.
It's clear, you can move ahead.
Yeah. As decided, first we take the some shortcut keys, formats, alignments, insert, delete. So I want to show you the insert and delete functions. Like what I want here is I want to insert one row. So what I have to do here is either directly press Control P, Control plus, Control, and then key is, I think all formula I already written here is insert row, cell, and column. So press Control plus plus. Clear? It means, for example, if you press the Control P, sorry, Control plus, then it will give you four options. Either insert right cell, shift cell down, entire row if you want to add, if you want to insert the column. So if I want to insert the column, clear? Column. If I want to write the entire row, then row. But once you press the control only shift cell down, then only one cell is getting insert. In between of Virat and Dhoni, only one cell is getting insert. Clear? Here in a if 8, if I want to make this shift cell right, only I want to insert one cell in right. So see. Clear? Then again, if you want to delete, then press control minus and then shift cells up and then shift cell left. Clear? Now, shortcut key to insert the row and column is, first is for complete selection. See, this is the selection of complete column and complete row. For example, if you want to select the complete row, then press shift plus space bar. Shift plus space bar and press control P. So automatically row will get insert. Once you select the control and space bar, then column will get insert. Or column will get select and then you can insert. Clear? For selection entire row or entire column, either you have to use shift plus space bar or control plus space bar. Clear? Yes. Now we are taking one more step forward towards the advanced function. There are so many functions that we can learn in Excel, but because of time concerns, what we have to do is today we are taking some important topics which is more relevant. Clear? Like the functions related to adjustments, tab color, rename, sheet rename. So everything we can learn with the shortcuts. But for a time being, we are taking one step forward towards the advanced functions. The first advanced function of our Excel session is what? Conditional formatting. What do you mean by conditional formatting? I will take the one example. Here we are making some font and formatting, like field color is blue, font color is white, font format is Calibri, and the font size is 11. So this is what this is the one basic formatting. This is the one basic formatting that we are going to do. Now, what is the conditional formatting? The conditional formatting means what? The formatting based on your conditions. If this conditions happens, then the formatting would be like that. If the conditions happens like that, then it should be the results. Clear? So this is what? This is the one conditional formatting. What I want here is one basic conditional formatting I have to insert here is whomsoever income is more than 1,50,000. It means he are the rich person. So first I'll select the data set. Acha, what is it? This is the complete data set. You know, we are working on the data set. If I select the entire column, what I want the person whose income is more than 1,50,000. It should be formatted as a green color, or it should be highlighted in green color. Then what I will do here is I will select the entire column of earning section, then press Alt, go to Home tab via H, and then conditional. L is the shortcut key of conditional formatting. It is L. What you want to highlight. What you want to highlight? You want to highlight the numbers greater than 1,50,000 via color green. Okay. See, for example, here is only 172,000. If you see here, only is the 172,000. If I write here is 172,000, then automatically it gets green. Clear? This is what? This is the one function of the conditional formatting. Just one basic function. If any number is more than 1,50,000, then the number should be in green. Clear? Second, this is just one basic condition. We'll move forward for next. In expense, if anyone's expense is more than 1 lakh, or will take 1,20,000, it means dangerous situation. They have to earn more. Clear? So see, there is so many people are in red. Clear? Yes, no, hopefully yes. Second, this is the again one basic function of condition is what? The number is greater than and the number is less than. Clear? It means earning is more than 150 and the expense is more than 120. Second, there is a one more sheet I already prepared here. Here there is a one data sheet I prepared for conditional formatting, data validation, duplicacy, and sort and filter. Okay, it means in the particular Excel sheet or in the particular sheet, we are going to learn all the maximum advanced functions related to conditions, relating to data validation, duplicacy, and sort and filtering. Clear? So first thing, addition to this, so many functions will cover in this. Like, for example, if you are working in any organization and maximum time the mail ID of the person is same, like the first name of the person and @xyzlimited@gmail.com, whatever it may be. So for example, whatever I'll write the only first ID. The first person is Kohli. First person is Kohli. I write on the mail ID is kohli@gmail.com as a normal manually. Clear? Now see the magic. Again, I'm making the zoom out so everyone can see. I will keep my cursor on E5. That is the first mail ID. Then press A. Go to data tab. Data tab means what? Where you can learn about the data validation, duplicacy, and the other advanced functions. So in a series of advanced functions, first function is what? Conditional formatting. With continuation of this, flash fill. Flash fill means system automatically will generate some values without putting your efforts. For example, what I written here is I write the kohli@gmail.com. I'm going to data tab. This is the data tab, and in the data tab there is a one function of flash fill. Flash fill, it's represented by FF. Once you press the FF, to see automatically all the mail IDs will come. The results may be incorrect. The result may be incorrect because, for example, if any person is by naming 2, like here Rahul and here Rahul, and again I will make the flash fill. So see, there is a rahul@gmail.com, which is impossible. Clear? It means the flash fill function will work once the data is unique or the nature of the flash fill function is the similar. It means you want to write the mail ID by the same name, first name and @gmail.com. Clear? Clear? So whenever you want to use the flash fill function, first you check the duplicacy. Again, we are going to come to the conditional formatting. First, you have to check the duplicacy. See, in our function, there is a one function of duplicacy. Select the entire column wherever you want to check the duplicacy. Click on Alt, then go to Alt HL. It means again conditional formatting, and then highlight the cell value with duplicate values. Clear? There is a two things. Conditions. First, you should know what conditions you want to apply. Like it may be the greater than, it may be the less than number, it may be the number in between of particular data range. Then if the number is equal to text containing, so it depends only on you. What exactly you want. Clear? Then duplicate values. So see, here is the duplicate values. There is a 2 is the duplicate value. Clear? Rekey. If you see the conditions, then both are the rekey. See, is both email IDs getting same. Rekey@gmail.com and rekey@gmail.com. Clear? Hopefully, yes. Now, second, one more interesting thing. Before that, I will. This is the duplicacy check. When you can use this function. For example, if you are maintaining an employee master, one question is raised by one participant is you just write duplicacy and it becomes blue. The reason behind is what system automatically get the knowledge ki yes, this is the heading. That's why it is make the similar heading of the other column. It means whatever data set is available here, so system automatically generate the same value. This is system generated, simple. If you write here, then it will not come. See, because system assuming ki this is the heading because you are writing in the same row. Now, there is a one function of duplicacy. Yes, where we are, when we can use the duplicacy function. For example, if you are maintaining any employee master, to maintaining the employee master, you require the either unique employee code or either unique employee name. So that time you pre-fill the conditions. For example, select the data range, like some include more blank cells also. Alt HL and then duplicate values. Only keep the values duplicate. Simple. Or you can write only the name. You can keep the condition in Alt H and then duplicate values. Okay. Once you insert any name, system automatically gives one message. Yes, this is the duplicate value. So immediately you can rectify the value. Okay. Either you will mention the Dhoni one. We are taking just example. Okay. This is the one basic function of duplicacy. Now contact number. Again, I am writing some contact number, random number by using one formula m round. Sorry. equal to the number is random between. This is the one function of the random between the 98270 1 2 3 4 5, and the top range is what? 98270 1 2 3 4 5 5 times 9. So any number come between this range will become the mobile number. Clear? This is just one example. Up, see here, what I want here is I want to use the filter. Filter means what? To see the specific data. That time we can use filtering or sort. Sort and filter. Select the range. Press Control plus Shift plus L. Control plus Shift and then plus L for insert sort and filter option. This everything is I've already mentioned here in shortcut keys. The name is what? Control Shift plus L. Somewhere it is written. Okay. For a time being, I'm just directly making. Or the another key is the function is available here. First, you remove the function. You can go with Alt H and then S. At the end, you can see the sort and filter function. Clear? This is what? This is the sort and filter. One second. So sort and filter, you can use the function is in the table sort and filter. Then go filter. Clear? Up, see what you want here is you want to see the data, the person who is belong from the particular country. Okay, it means you want to see, make the alt and then arrow down. If you want to see only the Australia, the data is related to only Australia, then select Australia. With the space bar we can select Australia. Clear? There is a two persons only, David and Pollard, belong from Australia. Clear? Then you want to see the data along with Australia, you want to see the India. Oh, there is a many persons. Clear? This is the one function of sort and filter. Keep what data you want to see. So that time we are using the function filter. Clear? Second, here, number filter. If you want to make the text filter, then you can use text filter. Text filter means equal to, begins with, end with. So for example, begin with. So begin with what? You want the country begin with C. So only China. If you see the content, if you want to see the begin or content in the complete range, if anyone will come containing the I, then the filter should come. So see, Brazil contain I, China contain I, Russia contain I. Clear? So it is what? This is the text filter content. If you want to see the content D, so then see only India containing the D. Clear? This is the one function of filter. One more, conditional formatting along with the filter. Achha, before that, one function will see of the sorting. Sorting means either you sort A to Z, it means like K, V, B, Kohli, Virat, Banu. So it will come in either sorting with A to Z. See, Amit, Arav, Banu, Dhavid, Dhoni and Kohli is going on, Virat going on last. You can sorting with Z to A. It is also the one function. Just using the shortcut key of Alt arrow down. You have to press Alt plus arrow down. Clear? So drop down list will get open. Clear? And here I am arranging the data in ascending or descending. Sorry, sorting in either A to Z or Z to A, or in a number format, we can use the number sorting function for smallest to largest and largest to smallest. See, for example, in our previous sheet, what we want to sorting earning smallest to lowest. So see, clear? So this is the sorting in ascending or descending order. Clear? Sorting functions we can use once in a while. For example, you cannot use two sorting function in a two different column. Either you can use in this column, either you can use in this column, either you can use in this column. Clear? Now then I smallest to largest. Then one very advanced function we are going to see is without using the filter functions. Without using the filter functions, we want to highlight the particular cell. It means any country is related to UK, it should get highlight. Clear? It should get highlight. So what I have to do here is, first I will make the drop down list. Three functions we are going to cover. Three functions simultaneously we are going to cover. One is remove duplicacy, second is data validation, and then third is conditional highlighting. Clear? Three functions. One is what? Remove duplicacy, then data validation, and then third one is the highlighting the row via using conditional formatting. Then first select the country's name. Select all the country's name. I selecting the control C. You don't have to do anything, you just press value, alt TS and then V. Clear? 100% sure there is a duplicate values available because I am preparing the data. See, so many values are duplicates. Now how to remove? Then you have to press alt go to again data tab. Again go to data tab via using A, and then press remove duplicacy is related for M. Remove M duplicacy. M. It will ask expand the selection or continue with current selection. So I want to continue with the current selection. Then remove duplicates. Column number K, anyone can see here is column K, and then okay. Clear? So see, 14 duplicate value found and removed 8 unique value remains. Clear? Now this is the unique values. Clear? There is a first function we covered is what? Remove duplicacy. Remove duplicacy. Second, data validation. Data validation is also very interesting topic. Data validation. Data validation means what? To validate the data. To validate the data. Up here we are just making one Excel sheet in a set, like another function we can use easily. Here I will select what? Data validation. In a column J5 we are going to use the data validation function in J5. I'm highlighting the cell. See, alt A, data validation. Go to V. V represents for what? Validation. Then I will press V. Clear? In what manner you can validate the data? You can validate the value is absolute value. You can validate the data should be in text format. The data should be in only dates. The data should be in only number. The data should containing decimal place. Whatever you can think, that kind of data validation you can make the cross check. So for example, first I will make the data validation, and the data validation means what? It should come only the whole number. It should come only the whole number. Any value means what? Anything you can write, then doesn't mean of the data validation. You are using the function is whole number. The number should be the whole number. So I'm selecting the whole number. Yes. Anything if you want whole number in between. So yes, I want the whole number is between 1 to 1000. ठीक है. If it is not happened, then input message you can give, error alert you can give, stop warning or information. So yes, we want key. If somebody use the any other number other than condition, then it should be stop, restricted. So see, if I write here is 0, oh, the value doesn't match. If I write the number, whole number is 5, acceptable. If I write the number decimal place is 5.00000001, no. Why? Because the 5.00001 is also not the whole number. If I writing the whole number is 1,111,001, error is come. Why? Because I given the first condition is what? The data should be the whole number and in between the range of 1 to 1000. Clear? Then again we are going to validation. Then we can use decimal. It will consider only the decimal. If you make giving the date, then date, time. So whatever data validation you want, then you can use. Clear? Maximum time we are using the data validation in format of list. What is the allowed? We allow only the list. It means what? If you are maintaining one Excel sheet and you given this Excel sheet to your colleague to update the data, but the data should be pre-filled or the specified. The user cannot fill the another data. So what you can use is you can use the list. See again everyone, alt go to home tab, go to data tab, then go to validation by pressing V. Data validation is represented by V. Select the list. Once you select the list, it will ask the source. Clear? Then for source you can select the list. Yes, no. Clear? Then again I will press enter and then come to okay. Okay. Up see, for example, if you want to write here is Pakistan, then you can select by alt arrow down. Complete drop down list will get open. Clear? Alt arrow down. Then I select the Pakistan. I can select the India. Clear? Or it will come in a same order. See, first name is Brazil, China, USA, whatever detail you given na, or whatever input you have given, it is the data validation list. For example, in a data validation, first I will remove all the data, whatever conditions we given na. Clear validation, data validation, again go to list, then I will select the one blank column also. So one blank function will also come. See, it means countries other than specified countries or nil. Here I can mention the other will come. Clear? And make this column hide. To hide the column function key is what? Control+0. See, control 0, column F is hide. Clear? Control shift, sorry, hide row, control 9. It means control+9, then row will get hide. To unhide the row, control+shift+9 or control+shift+. Okay. So here, this is the hide and unhide functions. I hide the column, particular column, so no one can change. Here, Brazil. Up see, most interesting function is what? Highlighting the complete row with condition. It means in the particular data set, whomsoever belongs from China or whomsoever belongs from the countries specified in the particular highlighted cell in the column J5, whomsoever is belongs from particular or a specific state mentioned in the J5, it should get highlight. Clear? That we are going to do. So first you have to select the data set. First, select the complete data set, only the data set. Don't select the highlighted cell value. Then go to Home tab, conditional formatting, and go to new rule. In the new rule, you will get the one option of use a formula to determine which cell to format. Clear? Use a formula, give the range, format values where this formula is true. It means if the value is getting true, then format we have to do. So I am selecting one, I am mentioning the formula is what? I am selecting the D5. Why D5? Because in a particular data set, I want to use the function in country, column country. It means D5. Freeze, there is a one function of F4 is what? Using the dollar. What is the use of the dollar is to freezing the particular cell. To freezing the particular cell, we are using the dollar. Then use F4, and then this is the complete freeze, row and column freezing. This is only column freezing, and this is only the row freezing. It means the first dollar is represents to freeze only the row. Clear? It's both dollar. It means first and second dollar. Then it means the complete freezing of row and complete column. It means cell freeze. Clear? So I am only the freezing row. Equal to what? Equal to Brazil. It should be freeze, means cell freeze. Enter, and you want the format. Format means you want the fill color should be would be like I want to highlight in yellow. Okay, and then any other format you want to give, then you can give like it should be get bold italic. Okay, then okay, yes, okay. देखो भैया, see, I did nothing. If I select here is China, then only the China is highlighted. If I select the Russia, then the data representing Russia is highlighted. If I select the India, then India will get highlight. Highlight plus bold, है ना? Both format we are given. So what is the use of this function? If you want to search out any specific data, any specific data without using filtering function, without filtering the filter functions, because acha see, if you are using the filter function, then what will happen? You can select only either one or two numbers. So for example, Australia selected, then only Australia you can see. India will not come. But once we use the conditional highlighting, for example here Australia, so Australia will get highlight, but other data is also available to verify. You can compare Australia with India, you can compare Australia with UK. Clear? Yes, no, hopefully yes. Take 2 minutes and ask doubt in particular function if you have any doubt in this particular function. I am live on chat box. If anybody has concern in the particular function, then please mention in chat box. Sir, please repeat it once again. Okay. Please repeat the last. Okay. Chalo. There is a query from various participants like to repeat the same functions. Again, I will remove all the conditions from here, Alt H L, and then clear rules from selected cells. Clear? Nothing is there. Pure raw data. Pure raw data. Hope till data validation, no doubt to anyone. Or there is not mandatory to insert the data validation cell. We can write the number in another format also. For example, again, I am selecting the complete data set, go to conditional formatting, select the new rule. The first set is what? New rule. See, it's very difficult to cover each and every conditions in a 1 hour. You know, what we are taking to most important functions, which is rarely we are using very rapidly in our daily life or whenever whoever is using Excel. So only those functions we are going to cover. And select the function is use the formula to determine which cell to format. Clear? Then press this arrow key. Where you want to use, you want to highlight the by name of the country, you know, or you want to highlight by the utensil, whatever item you are purchasing. Chalo, we'll go with items. So select the I5, freezing only row, equal to whatever is mentioned in J7. We are taking another cell J7, and then it should be highlight by color, like you can say blue or red, then okay, and then okay. Clear? Up, see, here is what I given here is computer cloths. Up, see, you can make comparison. Here cloths in India 47,000, in UK 42,000. If you are purchasing from Brazil, then it comes only 30,000. Okay, so this is just highlighting the sale. What is the purpose? That is depend on you. What exactly you want to do? For example, you want to make comparison. See, fruits. One fruits is also there. If nothing is there, then no one will highlight. See, medicine. In a complete data set, there is no data related to medicine. Clear? So this is what? This is the one function of highlighting this complete row via conditions. See, vehicle, 2 persons. Clear? Hopefully it's clear to everyone. So now come to content, what we are planning to come to complete today. Font completed, alignment complete, printing and layouts, a very basic functions not completed. It's very easy. Control P, press Control P, and then make it printing functions available. Conditional formatting done, sort duplicacy done, data validation done, sorting and filtering and searching done. Just pivot and slicer function is remaining. Tomorrow we'll try to take first 5 minutes or 10 minutes for pivot and slicer, and then we'll take pivot directly. It's very 2 minutes time it will take. Again, we have one more data set. The alignment and number is this one. The home function will see the alignment and the number. This is the alignment and number tab. We are going to pivot table. I already prepared certain data. So pivot data is the just data which is used to arranging the data in a proper way. See, I have one sale register of a particular in which the sale data is available. So customer name, GST, country, type, product. So what I'm going to do here is I make to using the pivot table. Alt and V. V is for, again, Alt N represents for insert, V for pivot table, and T for table, and then enter. There is a 4 sub column sub partitions in pivot table. One is filter, column, row, and values. So for example, if you see here is product. I'm selecting the product. So there is a, see, the data available in 1196 rows is summarized in just 23 rows. Clear? And if you want to make country, then see country wise cell you can see. For example, Bahrain, in Canada, how many industrial wall you have supplied, how many industrial wall parts you have supplied, sluice gate parts supplied. So this is what, this is the just arranging the data. And I'm just, for a sum up, I'm just taking directly the taxable value. Clear? And along with that, this is the one arrangement of the data in a pivot manner or a systematic manner. Here directly we can use slicer function, insert slicer in what? Country name. Okay, yes, this is nothing, this is the one pivot slicer. If you select the Bahrain, the data is available of only of Bahrain. Okay, I will keep in upside. select the India. See, in India whatever data is you have supplied. If you select the France, then France, Indonesia, Israel. Clear? Because of time concerns, we are taking just in a hurry. But yes, tomorrow again we'll take 5 or 10 minutes for pivot and slicer function, and then we'll move forward for advanced Excel functions. Tomorrow is a very interesting session for complete advanced Excel functions. Completely advanced Excel functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, match, SUMIF, so many functions we are going to cover tomorrow. So please join again. Yes, the one query is raised by slicer once again. Don't worry, again tomorrow we'll take same session for slicer, and then we'll start with pivot and slicer. Hopefully everyone is enjoying the session, and tomorrow again everyone will join. Thank you, ma'am. This is from my side. Please, you can continue.
Wonderful, Shubham. Very nicely you have covered. Please stop sharing the screen.
Yes, I shared.
Yeah, I hope that all our friends, participants, they all have enjoyed it a lot. It's like a roller coaster ride. We are having 6 to 7 every day. We are planning the sessions. So, participants, please join us 10 minutes early to avoid the inconvenience. If the session gets full, you can easily log in, watch it live on the Gyan Station YouTube channel, and there you can post your comments in the your questions in the comment box, so we'll take it directly from there. So stay tuned with the Gyan Station. Every day we are coming up with new concept so that learning and updation becomes our habit. Everything done daily for 21 days, it's very well said that it becomes a habit. So just for 45-50 minutes we are going to cover one concept which is will help you in daily updation. 45 minutes for learning every day is not a big deal. We can easily sit in front of our cameras, log into the Zoom. The link is going to be remain same. The registration is very easy. So log in again daily for various very interesting topics, new speakers we are going to come up with. Okay, friends, I would like you to please fill the feedback form. The link I have forwarded in the chat box. Will also send to the individuals if they will ask me for that. So please fill this feedback form. It is very is important for us to know how you felt about the sessions and to see what all points we can improve again. So join us again tomorrow with Shubham and me for the next session on advanced Excel. Again on 24th we are going to have will did वसीयत कैसे लिखे, क्यों जरूरी है, क्या पॉइंट्स हमें ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, by CA Hiral Suresh Shah from Mumbai. He is going to speak on that. And 25th we are going to have a graphologist Romal Surana who is going to speak how we can understand the persona of a person by just going through its handwriting or signature of that person. So again, it's going to be a very interesting Friday evening on 25th. So stay tuned with us and please don't forget to fill that Google form. Again, an important announcement from so thank you very much for joining us, staying tuned with us till now.
Then one more thing I want to add back